Can neuropathy be reversed? Yes and no. Why is there's two answers? It's because it depends on who you ask. If you ask the people who don't know how to reverse neuropathy, they will always tell you it cannot be reversed. But then if you ask people like myself and my team at Achieve Integrative Health, we will tell you yes. Why? Because we have treated and reversed thousands of neuropathy in our clinic. So let's get into the details of what is neuropathy and why it can and cannot be reversed. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, this is from their website, neuropathy is a type of damage to the nervous system, specifically to your peripheral nervous system. This is the network of nerves that sends information from your brain and spinal cord, which is your central nervous system, to the rest of your body. You can read the rest of this and get in the information here, okay? This video is about to present you information in a different way of thinking that you may not have thought of. So here are some key factors I wanted to point out from this website, Johns Hopkins University in medicine. They have discovered there are 100 types of peripheral neuropathy, each with its own set of symptoms and prognosis. Peripheral neuropathy has many different causes. The most common is diabetic neuropathy. Symptoms can range from tingling or numbness in certain parts of the body to more serious effects such as burning pain and paralysis. Okay, so that's the general. Again, you can go to this website if you want to read more about how Western medicine sees neuropathy. Okay, so these are the common treatments. Before we go to the treatments, let's talk about they state there are 100 types of peripheral neuropathy. But here's the thing, in the neuropathy treatments, common treatments from if you go to a neurologist or a pain medicine specialist or even your family doctor, they are going to tell you, okay, there's no cure, there's no reversal of neuropathy. Except for diabetic neuropathy, they're going to tell you every other type of neuropathy is not reversible, but they can manage your symptoms. Now, what does that mean when they say they can manage your symptoms? That means they can give you a medication to take for the rest of your life and hope that your neuropathy won't continue to get worse fast. Okay. It does not reverse it, as I will show you. None of their treatments reverse neuropathy. So then you have to think about, okay, what type of treatment do you want and who are you going to listen to? These are all FDA, these Western medicine treatments are FDA approved. Most of them are double-blinded study, okay? But none of them reverse. So you have to ask yourself, am I a person who only want to listen to what the FDA proves? I only believe in treatments that have been studied in a laboratory by a lab rat, or do I want to believe in results from real patients? Clinical results from real patients, real results. You have to make that decision. That's not my decision for you to make, for me to make for you. Common neuropathy medications. So these are the common treatments. You go to a neurologist, you go to a pain medicine specialist, they're going to give you these medications, okay? And the summary of these medications, these are the most common prescribed drugs for painful neuropathy to reduce pain. This is very important. When they give you medication for neuropathy, the only thing they're treating is painful neuropathy. Neuropathy goes through a progression of symptoms. We know this because we've treated thousands, okay? A person who has a neuropathy patient, doesn't matter what caused it, they go through these symptoms. Pain is actually in our clinic is the easiest to treat, okay? Easiest to reverse. So pain, and then you go through tingling and pins, pricking and needling, pins and needles, okay? Then you go to hypersensitivity, like everything you touch, like the bed sheets touch you and it's like super painful, right? And then you also go through, then the last one is numbness. Okay. Numbness is the hardest to reverse because numbness is a sign. Numbness is you don't have any feeling, right? You lose feeling, and worse, you start to lose function. When that happens, those nerves are dead. It's very hard to reverse those. Although in our clinic, there's still a chance. Okay. So Western medicine, neuropathy medications, they only treat the easy one, pain neuropathy, okay? They do not regenerate or reverse nerve damage by themselves, okay? The most common one is gabapentin. This is also another name is called neurontin. What does it do? It calms overactive pain signaling. So it calms it down, right? See, I put a specific section. Does it reverse neuropathy? You can see, no, 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 no. None of these medications reverse neuropathy. So you will have to take these for the rest of your life, and you will have to take more and more and more because they don't reverse your nerve damage. Guess what? You take this medication, you may not feel the nerve pain, but your nerve degeneration, your nerve dying, the nerves are dying, they continue to get worse, and you just don't realize it. You don't realize it until you lose function, right? So again, this is what we have seen in our clinic. This is not a research done in a test tube in a laboratory. This is real patients, clinical research in our clinic that we have seen patients who have taken these medications for years, and then suddenly they lose function. They can't walk anymore. And they're like, whoa, I was doing fine for the past 10 years on these medications, and suddenly I can't walk. Well, no, no, no. It wasn't suddenly that they can't walk. Over the past 10 years, their nerves have been dying, but they couldn't feel it. They didn't know it because they were getting numbed up by these medications. Okay, a lot of these are like anti-seizure medications and antidepressant medications. Okay, so you'll see this one reduces abnormal nerve firing, lowers pain intensity. Okay, you'll also notice they don't restore, they don't modulate the pain pathway. They either suppress it, which means reduce it, or neutralize it. So you don't feel pain, right? Fluoxetine raises serotonin. Okay, these are for anxiety, depression. Okay, and you'll notice all of these. They're all for painful diabetic neuropathy. Diabetic neuropathy is one of the easiest neuropathy to treat. It is the easiest in our clinic. I'm not saying for everybody else. I'm only talking about my own team, okay, at Achieve Integrative Health. It's the easiest, okay, because we also help people reverse their diabetes. Again, SNRI, again, these are antidepressants. Oh, this one modulates central nerve pain. These are antidepressant medications, okay, reduce burning, shooting, tingling, and pain, okay? But again, it's painful neuropathy. It does not reverse it. How do you reverse neuropathy? Number one, you got to stop what is causing the nerves to die. It's called nerve degeneration. You are stopping the nerve degeneration, and you are promoting nerve growth or nerve regeneration. You'll see none of these medications, none of them help with nerve regeneration. Okay. And I'm going to find a way to put this chart on our website, Restorative Longevity, so that you can get access to this. Okay. So again, modulates central, numbs localized pain. So this lidocaine patch, this is just now we're going to the patch, creams, lotions. Okay, it's interesting across social media when I'm talking about my quick restorative acupressure, and then I'm giving information about herbs and how we've actually used herbs to help real patients. And then once in a while I'll give comments like saying that, oh, this is just a bunch of snake oil, right? And it's interesting, right? Because look at these medications, right? All they do is just numb the pain. They don't fix anything. Okay. And so if you're talking about snake oil, it depends on what definition you think, what your definition of snake oil is, right? Snake oil, people usually will say, oh, this is witchcraft or snake oil because they think it's tricking people. What is tricking people? Giving somebody a solution and they think that it's going to fix them, but it really doesn't. Well, isn't that what these medications are doing? Okay. I'm not saying these are snake oil. I'm just saying for those people who think Chinese medicine is snake oil. All right, let's move on. Let's see. Sometimes they say it may be reversed, but it's diabetic. Diabetic neuropathy, yes, if you reverse the diabetes, you control the diabetes, you can reverse the neuropathy, right? That's why I said diabetic neuropathy is the easiest thing to treat. Just glucose, you just help to reverse the blood sugar, right? IVIG, this is autoimmune, okay? This is chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy. So this is a autoimmune type of neuropathy. So they give these injections, IV immunoglobulins, and they can reverse the nerve degeneration. But here's the thing, you need to get these IVIG injections for the rest of your life. It's not like you get one injection and you're fixed. It's not like this IVIG can restore your body's immune system so that it forever stops attacking your nerves. It doesn't do that, right? Corticosteroids, these are all temporary. Plasma exchange, carpal tunnel. Carpal tunnel is neuropathy, can cause neuropathy in your hands, right? But they cut that band. You're going to lose some grip strength in your and flexibility use of your wrist and hand. Okay. So again, none of these reverse, right? And you'll see these are most common prescribed. So you can see, and I've got all the research on the side with links. They all come from these. This is not my opinion. This is from the PubMed, right? All the research done, double-blinded study, and so forth, right? So you can see no Western medicine treatment reverses neuropathy. In another video, I share the top 5 herbs that we use in our clinic, because our clinic, we do help people reverse their neuropathy, right? And I shared in another video, I'll go over it really quick. These are top 5 herbs that we use in our clinic, Chinese herbs, that help us reverse neuropathy, help our patients regenerate their nerve cells and nerve function. You can see improves nerve conduction, restoring nerve function. If you want to learn more about these 5 herbs, go to the other video of my top 5 herbs for neuropathy. But I wanted to just share it with you today. Is neuropathy reversible? Yes and no. It depends on who you ask, okay? You can go by the research, what the research says. The research says it is not reversible. My clinic says some cases are reversible, right? So it depends on who you ask and depends on what you really believe in. Do you believe in real results, real people today living, not people who go into a testing center and they're in a controlled environment and they get tested, or are you going to trust people who's living their everyday lives suffering with neuropathy, right? And they're still able to reverse the neuropathy. It's for you to decide. You decide. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Again, look, if you're interested in learning more about neuropathy, check out my other videos on how to reverse neuropathy.